and this is LNB Fishing. Just left the mainland, heading over to this island over there, hunting some largemouth bass in central Italy on Lake Trasimeno. Beautiful day out here in the lake. Got Mr. Bird over here. Well gone, Mr. Bird. I've got my double kayak for a single man, but I've got all my equipment, so you know, I'm gonna need the space. And yeah, it'll probably be I don't know, half an hour kayak over to that island where it is a bass heaven. Of course, I'm gonna be using my double trouble, my 2 pen rods, probably some crankbaits, some soft tings, some surface lures, stuff like that. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. So I've been paddling now for about 50 minutes. Still haven't managed to get to the island. It's getting pretty hot now, around 35 degrees. Body temperatures are high. Suffering from minor symptoms of dehydration, getting a bit weary, lightheaded. But you know, I was born to survive, and survive is what I'll do. So stay tuned with me, guys. I will make it. I'll make it to the island. I'll catch you some bass. So yeah, if I do die, give my mum a ring. That would be nice. But yeah. Finally made it here, guys. It took me about, I don't know, 15 minutes an hour, so it was a bit of a trek. But I know it's going to pay off. The mini crankbait I'm going to use today, well, to start off with anyway, is this little pudgy guy here. He's done me well in the past. I remember coming back here last year and catching tons of these little mini largemouth bass. So, in order to catch a mini largemouth bass, I'm going to be chucking this guy. Cheers, mate! I'm going to be chucking this guy around the reeds over there. So I've just tied him on, and I'm going to be using my pen rod today, as always. It's going to be a lot of fun catching these mini largemouth bass on this rod. So I'm going to make my way over there and around these reeds, and yeah, let's hope I can catch. First spot of the day. Let's hope I can catch a small largie on my mini crankbait. Problem is with today is the water's a bit murky, so I don't know, that could be a problem. First cast. See if we can catch. Second cast, boys. Let's see if I can catch a small largemouth. Yep, fish on. Hey, no way, second cast, boys. Nice. So guys, there's my first largemouth bass of the day. Extremely excited. That was, I don't know, second cast, I think. So yeah, awesome. Look at that guy. Pretty cool, eh? Just got a bite there. That was cool. Oh, fish on! Right at the boat. No way! A little perch, guys. Nicely done. I did not expect to catch a small perch. But oh well. It's a fish. Right, let's pop you back, mister. Nice. Fish on, boys. Fish on. Another little perch. Third fish of the day. So not what I wanted, but still better than nothing. I reckon it's another one of those little perch. Oh, he came off. No. Come on boys, let's catch a bass. I'm on boys. Oh yay. Hello Mr. Perch. Long time no see, brother. Another one in. Oh, just had a nice bite. That felt like a decent sized bass as well. Let's try that again. Oh. Oh. Fish on, boys. I have a feeling it's a little perchy though. Oh yeah, what a surprise. Hello Mr. Perchy. Good to see you, bro. Let's get you on hooks. Here we go. Plop. Oh yes, largemouth. Yes. Hello baby. Let's get you in. Nicely done. Second largemouth of the day. There she is. Hello chubby. Cute little guy, isn't he? Get him unhooked. There we go. Let's get you released, brother. There he goes. Nicely. Oh! You see that? What on earth was that? So far we've caught 2 largemouth bass, roughly the same size. What else? And about 3 little perch. So yeah, the morning was a bit slow. I caught that first bass and then I had about 40 minutes with nothing, and now it's all back in track, boys. Okay guys, so I fished in this hole here for about 50 minutes now. I've caught 2 largemouth and a few little perchies along this rocky bank here. I'm just going to make my way round these reeds and up the north end of the island and see if I can catch a few more largemouth bass for you guys, so stay tuned. So yeah, I'm heading back now. In the heat of the day, pretty tired now. It's around 35 degrees, like 4 in the afternoon. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that episode, guys. I had a bit of fun in the process, caught a couple of nice bass, catch a lot more, but pretty happy with the result. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Boo! 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 Boo!